Today, I will introduce the function of Quick Profile in Rebuild 3D. First, I load the LAS format Other Formats point cloud. I drag the point cloud file into the software, and then go to the menu CAD Output, and click Quick Profile. After that, I click the icon Create New. Click the spanner icon to change the profile name. Click Pick Profile to define the profile. Double-click to points on different locations on the 3D scene to define the profile. For example, double-click the first point here and the second point here, and then click. Set the default view so that you can see the profile plane clearly in different angles. The plane dimensions can be adjusted from to values here, changing the width value and height values. Maybe value 15 is better. And we can also change the height value. The plane size is okay now. If I want to repeat the profile, check Repeat Profile. Here it is 10 meters, 2 profiles. I can set to 5 meters, 2 times. Also, I can set 3 times or more. 3 meters, 3 profiles is good for this situation. And then we can click Compute to compute the cross sections. When computation finished, click Open Section Viewer to view the 3 sections. And also we can find the section file below. And then right-click Export to export the section. The section can be exported to images, DXFS, or slices. If the user only needs slices, just export the slices to LOS, or E57, or other formats. Find the folder to save the section LOS files. All section survey data exported successfully. We try to find the exported slices from the folder, these 3 long